Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to correct an error with your either supplier cost or tax. So if you've realised you've put the wrong tax rate on a particular item and you've been selling it and you need to correct that and backdate your transactions, I can show you how to do that now. So what we'll do, we'll log ourselves in. And I'll show what I mean. So if I go to accounting and I go to selected store statistics and I just show today, I can have a little look at these and say, for example, I just realized that one of these items should be 0% tax, not 20. So let's just go for that one just for an example. As you can see, let's go for that one instead. So that should be 0% and not 20%. So I need to go and find that in the system and get that backdated. So we're looking for baker's sensitive turkey. So if we'll close that now, what we'll do is we'll go over to the stock manager and I'll go and find that item now. I'll just do a little quick cheat and I will see what I've sold in the last one day. There we go. Okay, so there we go. It's this one here. So this was 20 here. So this should actually be 0. So what I can do, I can change that now to 0. And then what I can do, I'll make sure I've selected the actual item, and then we need to go over to special tasks, and we've got a predefined command right here. So click on there, and we go to tax, backdate transactions with the current tax rate. So we'll click on that. Obviously it's just at 1, so are you sure you want to do this? And go yes. And then it'll give me some sort of period of time. So what I'll do is I'll just, I won't push my luck, I'll just go just to there. Go OK, boom, done. So now if I close that now and then go back over to my selected store statistics and show that, and let's click on that one again. As you can see, the tax has now gone on there. Now you can do a very similar thing with your supplier cost as well. So if you've messed up your supplier cost and you realise you've got the wrong one in there, same thing applies. So if we go to stock manager and then go to, I'll just cheat again and find that item. Okay, that one there, and I realise, okay, so this is a supplier cost of £16.11. So I'll change that and realise, okay, no, that actually should have been, say, £14. Change that like so. Same thing. So you go to special tasks, predefined command, and you go to suppliers, and backdate transactions to use a new supplier cost. So we'll click that on there like so. Same warning again. You go, yes, we want to do that. Again, it gives you the same sort of period of time you need to go back to. So let's go just to there, scan that one through, and then we go back over to our selected store statistics. Fine, there it is, and there you go, £14 now. So now it's been corrected, and all your transactions are correct. So all your statistics are now in line to the correct tax and the correct supplier cost. So there you have it. Do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Check us out next time. See you now.